Hello guys, welcome back to Archaeonics. In today's video, let's see how to clean and lubricate your chain drive system, and the best part is you can do this all at your home. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Before you actually get into the cleaning part, let's understand that most of the dirt actually is getting collected in the front sprocket area. In order to get access to this front sprocket area, let's remove the front sprocket cover, and in this case it is held with 3 bolts which is of 8 mm in size. Once after removing all the 3 bolts, you can remove the front sprocket cover and have a glimpse of the entire dirt that is getting collected in this area. If you ignore this front sprocket cover and move on to cleaning and lubricating a chain, over the run, this entire chain gets even dirtier with the collected dirt that is already accumulated in the front sprocket area. So it's better advised to clean this area first before moving on to cleaning the chain itself. Alright, now I'm using this diesel as a degreaser to soak the dirt and grime that is getting collected in this front sprocket area. After spraying the entire sprocket and its cover down and waiting for a couple of minutes before I start agitating all the dirt and grime that is getting collected in this front sprocket area. If the sludge buildup is too hard, like in this case, I'm using a screwdriver to remove this entire sludge by scooping it down. See the amount of sludge that has been built up here? This is exactly what is going to contaminate your freshly cleaned chain. Now for the actual cleaning part, I'll be using this Motul C1 chain cleaner for rest of my cleaning purpose. I have bought this from Amazon and the link for which will be there in the description below. I have been using this from very long time and you can see the pricing for the same here. Now along with this, I'll also be using diesel to remove hard sludge buildups like how you have seen in the front sprocket area. Now I'll fast forward this entire cleaning process. Once the front sprocket area is completely cleaned, let's move on to clean the chain itself. Just spray down the entire chain cleaner on the chain, making sure that you focus on the O-rings, which is very much important to be cleaned. Spray down the entire chain and don't forget your raised sprocket. Now you can use a dedicated brush like this one or even an old toothbrush to agitate the dirt as shown in the video. Scrub the entire chain, O-rings and the raised sprocket, and once done, use a clean piece of cloth to wipe the entire chain and the sprocket down. Repeat this process until you get a clean finished chain. Now in the similar way, let's not forget to clean the front sprocket cover. I'm spraying down it with diesel and clean thoroughly until it shines like new one. Now let's install the front sprocket cover back and tighten all the 3 bolts that you removed before. And the final part is to lube your chain. I'm using this Motul C2 chain lube. Again, you can see the pricing here, and this particular one is also being used by me from very long time. You'll find the purchase link in the description again. Now one thing to note while you lube is to focus this entire lubricant on the O-ring itself. Now your chain itself does not require any sort of lubricant, but only a thin layer to keep it protected against the rust formation. Our focus should be cleaning and lubing this O-ring along with the rollers to keep the entire chain drive system happy and function smoothly. Now let's lube the chain. Spray down the lube focusing on the O-ring as shown in the video. Repeat this process for the entire chain and your chain lubrication is done. Don't forget to wipe off the excess if required and let it soak for some time before you take it for a ride. And that's how easy and simple it is to properly clean your chain and lubricate it to protect against dust and grime and also for proper functioning of your chain drive system. I hope this video was informative enough, and if you people like this video, do consider subscribing to Archaeonics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.